everyone, and welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm back with a super exciting video. I'm going to be doing a organize, clean, declutter. This will probably be the biggest one that I've done before on my channel. I've done quite a few of these types of videos. I'm not going to do it all today. It's actually pretty late in the day, so I'm just barely going to get started. I'm going to do this over the course of the next 2 or 3 days. Probably going to start out with some of the smaller things for tonight. Let's get started. I have this jewelry thing, I don't even know what you call it. I'm just gonna go through this and see if I can find some pieces to get rid of. Ignore the mess because this is my Poshmark pile of stuff to sell. These are necklaces that I've already kind of pulled out to get rid of. Those are all the things I'm getting rid of. I got some chokers. There's a lot of jewelry that's just really rusted. We just take a moment. I know this is dirty, but I have so many of these cute limited edition pieces for MAC. Probably expired. I just hate to throw it away because it's so cute. You can actually check the expiration dates. You just type in like makeup expiration date calculator. You type in these codes on the back and it'll tell you if it's expired. So like so it is the next day. I never really checked in with you after I kind of started cleaning out my IKEA 9 drawer, which is mostly full of makeup. I stayed up till like 1 a.m. cleaning and decluttering and organizing my makeup, and I was just so tired. I went to bed eventually, but I never really completely finished it, but I did get a lot done. Today I'm just going to finish up organizing my IKEA 9 drawer and my makeup. I got rid of so much makeup, like literally so much. I don't know what made me do this, but I started to check the expiration dates. A lot of them were expired, which is super sad. I did get really good use out of them. I feel like it's very hard to use up. You know, if you have like multiple different blushes or something like that, it's hard to really just completely use it up. Like I feel like you can use it every day for years and never hit the bottom of it. I do feel like I got a lot of good use out of that makeup. At the time when I bought them, I was really into makeup. I just loved experimenting with like new colors and different looks and kind of like the artistry and like creativity behind it. So I loved experimenting with makeup at the time. So that's why I did have a lot of different makeup. Started to go through and check the expiration dates, which I definitely recommend you guys doing. I condensed like 2 or 3 drawers down to 1. I also had a bunch of makeup brushes that I'm not really using, but they're really good makeup brushes and they obviously don't really expire or anything. I don't want to get rid of them because sometimes I do like prom makeup or homecoming makeup, and it is nice to have kind of like an extra set almost of brushes. I don't really need 3 different bronzer brushes out on my vanity, so I just kind of wanted to store my extra brushes in a drawer. I feel like I might be able to condense my drawers down even more. That's what I'm gonna work on today, and then tomorrow I'll probably do more of the main things. So this is the drawer that I kind of like decluttered and condensed most all my makeup to this drawer. I had these brow products in a little acrylic container, but I wanted to use it to put some of my brushes in. This is what it looks like. The drawer above that, this might look ridiculous, but this is all kind of like my back stock. I just have extras of the products I go through frequently. Sephora is having a big 20% off sale. I think over quarantine it might have been even 30%. Sephora will typically have 2, I think it's in the spring and then in the winter, that they'll have really good sales. Whenever they have that sale, I just like to stock up on all of my favorite products. And then here is where I keep my foundation, concealers, and some primers. And this is the drawer that's really random. It's the extra brushes that I have, which I try to put in these little containers. I have all of these dip powders. They're great for at-home nails. I was using these a ton over quarantine. They are all from Rebel Nails, so sometimes they'll send me PR packages when they come out with new collections, so I just needed a good place to store them. It's kind of random to put the nail stuff in with the brushes. And here I have all of my lash stuff, and then here I just have all of my palettes, and then this is like a lip drawer. I still need to go through the palettes and the lips. And here, this drawer is like all pink, which was unintentional. I have some fragrances back there, some old Glossier skincare products that I just don't really use, and everything else in here is all Loving Tan. I use Loving Tan pretty much every week or two to fake tan. I absolutely love fake tanning, and it's the only fake tan that I like to use. This last drawer is honestly kind of extra skincare, some PR packages, stuff like that. It's just kind of random. There's kind of like an overview of the IKEA 9 drawer as of now. I just need to, I feel like it could just be a little bit more decluttered. Just filling up my trash can, so I just grabbed this MAC bag, so I wanted to see how much makeup I was getting rid of. So this is all makeup that I'm getting rid of. Kind of like sad to see it all go. I hate to be wasteful, so it's definitely helping me be more intentional in the future with purchases. I feel like pretty much now with makeup, I only buy what I wear every day. I stick to pretty much the same products. I'm definitely being more intentional about what I buy, so I'm not as wasteful in the future. It's just sad to see. I actually went through this IKEA 9 drawer like a year ago, and I got rid of a whole bunch of makeup, and there were a lot of things that were brand new from like BoxyCharms or other like subscription boxes, or maybe things that have been sent to me or something like that. And I actually put it all in a box, and I was maybe gonna do like a giveaway on my Instagram, but that was last year and I kind of forgot about it. So I was gonna add a few brand new products that I found to that box and maybe do like an Instagram giveaway or something like that. I'm just gonna check and make sure all those products are still good to use, because I have a whole box of makeup that's like all brand new, so I would love to like give it away or something. Anyways, stay tuned because I might do that on my Instagram. So I reorganized my kind of like back stock, my extra product or like backups drawer to look like this. I've got kind of like my makeup on this side and my fake tan on this side. Then I added the foundations and kind of like face product to my brush drawer, so it just looks like that. And I kept this drawer the same, which is basically all my other makeup other than foundation, palettes, or lips. I did condense my lash drawer down a little bit, so I just have some extra space, but now I have like an empty drawer almost. So I have this organizer that my foundation was in, so I just took these extra skincare products from Glossier and then the fragrance, and I put those in there. And then I had all of these like random like tiny travel size skincare products in my bathroom, and I just put them in this extra little space. I used this space for all of that nail stuff. So I would say that my IKEA 9 drawer is definitely more organized now. Got rid of a lot of makeup that I'm not really using and that is expired. I just feel like it's much cleaner now, and I have a place for things that I didn't really before. I mean, it wasn't like a huge drastic change, but it's definitely the most organizing I've done for it in a long time. I think that's probably all I'm gonna do for today, because it's actually like dinner time now, so I'm probably just gonna relax. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow to finish up the rest of the small like little things, but also just like physically clean my room, like dust and vacuum, and just like wipe down the surfaces of my room. I will talk to you guys tomorrow to finish up the cleaning and organizing. So it's a few days later. I know I'm looking rough. I have honestly had the worst migraine all day, so it's pretty late again. I just wanted to kind of clean up my room. I mentioned the other day that I was gonna do kind of like a deep cleaning, kind of just like dusting, maybe vacuuming. I feel like I vacuumed less than a week ago, so I might not vacuum. Just kind of deep cleaning everything. Also, my room's messy anyway, so making my bed and everything like that. I'm probably not gonna do any decluttering, so I'll probably check in with you in a few days and kind of do the rest of the decluttering. it is the next day and I actually just got a package from Koral. So they did give me these pieces, but it's a whole bunch of really nice activewear. So I just wanted to show you guys because I think I'm gonna be wearing some of it today while I'm cleaning. They just have so many cute pieces. Their leggings have like a liquid legging look and they're just like very like shiny and like luxurious looking. Also giving 30% off to healthcare professionals. So I just wanted to mention that as well. I just wanted to show you guys what I got because I'm definitely gonna be wearing some of these. I just slept in this t-shirt last night. I'm about to change into one of these sets for the day. I'm not like working out, but I'm definitely gonna be cleaning. So I wanted something comfy. I have everything that I'm showing you guys from them linked below if you guys wanna check them out and like shop them. They just have such nice activewear. First off, I have some sports bras. So I have this pink kind of one right here. It's like this kind of like rose colored and it is kind of like this shiny material, if you can kind of see. Got this black band on the bottom. Looks like this in the back. Did get some matching leggings for that. So you can see here, they're kind of shiny, which is just really pretty and unique. I've never really seen leggings like this that have kind of like that shine to them. So I thought that would just be really cool. A size small in all of them. And then I got this sports bra. I thought this was just a really unique print. Again, as you can see, it's kind of like this shiny-ish material. It was really cool. So I got this. Again, I did get some matching leggings, so they look like that. And they are high-waisted. And then I also got this sports bra. This one just looks really comfy and classic. It does have some nice padding in it. It's just white and then it has kind of like this mesh on the back and this really nice band. It just feels really, really good quality. I got these leggings that kind of match. They just looked really nice in the picture. Black with like a little bit of white. They also just feel really soft and stretchy. Like they would be really comfortable. Also got some tops. I don't have any kind of like athletic type of tops really, so I just thought these would be really nice to have. This one is black and long sleeved and this part is kind of that shiny material, which is really cool. Colors like that too. It's not like super see-through. And this is just a white kind of mesh tank top, like that same similar material. And then I also got the same tank top in black. So got those. I thought they would just be really nice, like essentials. So I'm probably just gonna put one of those sets on for cleaning today. It'll just be nice and comfortable and easy to move in. Here's the set that I'm gonna wear. And then I think I'm gonna put the long sleeve top over it. So here it is with the long sleeve top. So comfortable. It's like loose and lightweight. Like literally all of these pieces fit so good. I'm gonna link all this below. So my IKEA 9 drawer is done. It is decluttered, it's cleaned, it's organized. I cleaned and dusted everything in my room. I also cleaned my bathroom. I dusted and wiped everything down in my bathroom. I also cleaned my makeup brushes. So I kind of made a list. Kind of looked at my list and kind of went through and highlighted the things that I actually need to declutter. I might end up doing my closet in another video because I feel like that could be a whole video in itself. So I'm just gonna go through the rest of my jewelry. I also want to clean and declutter my car. It is just dirty. I might wipe down my mirrors. Okay, so there's the jewelry I'm getting rid of. I would say it's a pretty good amount. This is like all of the newer things that I was gonna sell on Poshmark. I think this is all okay to sell on Poshmark. These are all fairly newer as well. I was gonna check and make sure my sister doesn't want them. All of this stuff is all pretty rusted, so I don't think it's okay to sell. So I'm just gonna figure out what I should do with it. I had this really cool package on the porch, so I have to show you. It's from Revel Nails. So I posted like some vlogs over quarantine. I was using this all the time for my nails, so it's like a perfect at-home dip powder. It's so easy to use, and if you kind of want to save some money but get the look kind of like of the salon. They're always coming out with new collections and new colors, and they just have so many great colors. So they sent me a package because they just came out with a new collection. This one has polishes and dips. It's called the Modern Muse collection. It is limited edition. And they sent me this little notebook, like a journal, which is like so cute. Here is the collection. So I just love it. It's like all of these like kind of neutrals. So like I said, there's polishes and then the dip powders are on the side. I love that they always have some glitter. So I will link this below if you guys want to check it out. But since you've seen me last, I pretty much have just had lunch. So I really need to clean my car. I just really don't want to. I think that's probably the last thing that I'm going to do in this video because I feel like I've done a lot of cleaning and decluttering. I know I still need to do my closet, but I think that's enough for a whole separate video. I need to do another big closet clean out. My last one was like a big one, so I'll link it here if you guys want to check that out, but I will definitely be doing another one here in the next week or so. The time has come to clean my car. I'm gonna have to vacuum it, wipe down the inside, actually clean it because I think it's messy. So I'm gonna see how bad it actually is, but I'll probably have to do all of those things. Here is the situation. So as you can see here, kind of a ridiculous amount of sunglasses. They fall out when I turn. In here, it's pretty messy. Yeah, it's pretty messy here. Seats are kind of gross. I need to vacuum those. It's like some dried ice cream, which is super embarrassing. It's very dusty as well, so. Might not look that much different, but I feel like it's significantly cleaner. My sunglasses aren't as crowded. My cup holder looks a lot cleaner, and this is also, it's basically just cords now, but it's also a little bit cleaner. My dash is less dusty. My mat is like a little bit stained, so it looks dirty, but there's not actual trash on the floor. It just feels, it's much cleaner now. So yeah, I'm really glad I took the time to do that. Okay, so my car is clean. I think that was the last thing on my cleaning to-do list. So I think that's all for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to thumbs up if you did enjoy it and you'd like to see more cleaning videos on my channel. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26 and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. Definitely make sure to check out Koral for activewear. I absolutely love these pieces that I've been wearing today. I also got some compliments from my mom and my sister on FaceTime. So the few people that I've seen or virtually seen today have loved it. Definitely check out their pieces. I'll have them all linked below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you'd like to see more cleaning content from me, I actually have an entire playlist, so I will link it in the description below and also here in one of the corners. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!